One of the great things about text in Inkscape is that it actually works as far as stroke and fill color, like any other object in the program. So if you've got a text object selected either with the select tool, or if you've just taken the text tool and selected it, you can then actually just right click on any of these swatches and say, for example, set fill. And that's going to set the fill of everything in this one particular text object. You could also go to this black swatch and say set stroke. And there we get this black stroke. And if, for example, I now save this file in the SVG format, so I can just save this on my desktop as something like Inkscape text, and click save. I could then, just like we saw earlier, drag this into GIMP, and we see a preview here, and say I want this nice and wide, so it's for like some kind of big poster. I could change this to 1000 millimeters for a big poster board that's 1 meter wide. Click OK. And we get this message saying that the paths haven't come in, and that's fine. That just means that this has been converted to pixels, which is exactly what we expect. And now I have this text rendered perfectly in GIMP. So as you can see, these edges are absolutely perfect. You have nice transparency behind here. So if you add a new layer and put it to the bottom, I can now fill this layer with a background color like, say, this yellow. And that just shows you that the background of this Inkscape is completely transparent. And so that is a very easy way to get text into GIMP, which not only has a font color, but actually has an outline, which can be really, really great for doing a title for a big poster or something like that.